Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am bringing you my everyday morning cleaning routine. The areas that I'm going to be cleaning today are areas in my apartment that I clean every morning. I'm starting off in the laundry room. I'm going to be collecting the clothes that I folded the night before. I just put them in a basket and set them aside to be put away later on tonight because this is a part of my nighttime cleaning routine. So moving on, I'm going to make my bed. For me, making my bed each morning just motivates me to get up and get the day started. And it just sets the tone for me to have a productive day. I'm going to be using Mrs. Meyer's room freshener and spraying down my bed with that. It's in the scent basil and it smells so good. I absolutely love it. So moving on to the bathroom, this is something that I have to clean absolutely every morning, especially our bathroom and our bedroom. My kids live in my bathroom. They have their own bathroom, but they live in mine. This is where they shower. This is where they brush their teeth. This is where hair is being did majority of the time. So everything is usually left out and it's just a mess during the morning rush every single day. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything in its rightful place and get this bathroom situated. So moving to the kitchen, I'm going to start off with the dishwasher by unloading it. This is not something that I do every morning. I only do it when I need to make room for other dishes or So moving on to the dishes, I'm going to go ahead and get the dishes washed up from breakfast. And I usually use this red bowl to draw up some dishwater. I have a dishwasher, but you guys, I still wash my dishes by hand, and it was just a couple of dishes, so I didn't need to just throw them in a dishwasher. We are coming to the end of the video. These are the things that I clean every single morning in my apartment. You guys remember that Jesus wants us to keep things decent and in order, so I hope you guys are doing well with tackling your home as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a big like, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and be a part of my YouTube fam bam. I love you guys, and Jesus loves you more. I hope you guys have a blessed week, night, day, whenever you're tuning into this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.